Welcome to Season 2, Episode 27 of PlaneSavers! Well, folks, I wanted to do an outside. I haven't done an outside introduction in quite a while. Minus 15 degrees Celsius, which is 5 degrees Fahrenheit. And behind me is a sundog, folks. That is what would you call that? A weather phenomenon, I guess. But anyway, that's just as beautiful as it is. Speaking of beauty, today we'll be working on Fokker ribs. So let's go in, find Benjamin, and see how he's doing now that we've figured out how to make a rib. How can we now make multiple ribs? We're talking piles and piles of ribs, folks. 56 ribs in total. And we only have a few margins of error to mess up, only a couple before we have to reorder some more wood, which would set us behind, blah, 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 blah. Anyway, let's go in and find Benjamin. Enjoy the sundog one last time. Okay, folks, C-46 taking off. Oh, it's got cold, folks. It is getting cold here in Yellowknife. Back to the Fokker warehouse. Benjamin stayed late last night, and today we're going to show you just how quickly innovation and Benjamin's system will work moving forward. Because again, that was a lot of time to build one rib. Benjamin, what's your thoughts?
It's going, since this rib on the wall over there, it's going fast. 2 more right now, then 2 more today, then 2 more the next day. So.
Okay, let's get these out of the thing.
Perfect.
Okay, folks, I was planning to do a very upbeat montage, but as you can tell, I'm on voiceover mode because something happened. This first one we were trying with here, Benjamin's trying to get out. It didn't budge. Benjamin actually sat there and tried quite a bit, and I kind of just put the camera and was kind of watching them, but it didn't move. We actually moved to the second one, and it popped right out. 2 seconds, it worked. But Benjamin went back to the first one, which is kind of the second one, and it's not moving, it's not budging. Okay, folks, we have a little bit of a problem. The second rib.
It's out.
It's out? Is it good?
Let's see how it works.
Where it's stuck. Okay, so just catching up. We had a little bit of an emergency. That second rib was a little bit, I didn't hit the camera. This ain't a prank, bro, like last time. This was a little bit stuck. And
it's fine.
It's fine?
It's one, yeah, it's one. It was 1 point of glue, so now it's good.
Okay, there was just a little bit of glue that got stuck to the aluminum. So this is a very big warning for us, folks, that any glue that touches the wood and the aluminum together, not a good thing. Zero. So it's good?
It's good.
That was a close one, folks. Benjamin, be honest. Honesty. Were you nervous with that second one?
Yes, I was.
Okay, what did we learn with that second one? That's just important.
I'll do a diagnosis of what I did. So basically, what's wrong is you're not supposed to, and that's what I think I did. You're not supposed to put your cap strips in and then do any sorts of modification in translation, which means it will just shear the saran wrap. So every time, that's a lesson we learned today, every time I want to just readjust my cap strip, I'll take it out, translate it a bit, and put it back, because that's what I think I did. I just moved it a bit, and then at some corner, it's right there. In fact, it's the tightest point of all the jig, right here. At this corner, the saran wrap just open a little hole, and you don't even see it, I think.
And see, that's the problem we're running. A lot of people said use wax paper. Wax paper would actually be worse.
Yeah. So it's, I don't know if you can see it right there. It's so tiny, but basically just a little hole, little hole. And since that glue is so strong, it doesn't take much. It's like cement.
Okay, so that's a little bit stressful, folks. I could have edited it to make it look like it was like, but that was our plan. Actually, we came in, we're just gonna be like, yeah, this is rock. We're gonna show everybody how awesome this is, and then it's like, reality has a way.
It's lessons. So, like, at least I'm learning it now, right? instead of learning it at the end or whatever when we ran out of material. So there's plus to negative all the time.
Okay, but those are good. Those are two.
Those are good.
You're gonna put more in.
Yeah.
And we're gonna continue the process. So we're at 1.7%, 1.7%, 1.7%.
Oh my god, I realized something yesterday.
What's that?
A game changer. You know, I kept saying 56 ribs, but that's without taking for account the at Eldron ribs. There's 14 more. Or
what are you talking about, Benjamin? Again, I'm not making this up. Benjamin's just telling me there's 18 more ribs.
So just basic math. We need 50 rear webs and 18 rear webs at the other end. So already we bust our 56 right away.
Quinn Jones, get your free Air Canada tickets up here, and we need your help right now.
So yeah, those are the ones I took for account. So 2 plus 50, so 52 plus 4, so 56. But I always in my calculation.
And one cool thing is you can see Benjamin's actually spent the time, got this all laid out. People are asking what the tags are. Each part that was made has its own tag.
Yeah.
Look at all those tags over there. Our tag budget's completely blown.
It's blown.
Speaking of that, syringes. 100 syringes. Look at all these syringes. Look at that, folks. People ask, why are we using the syringes? Are these gonna work?
Yes, they're gonna work.
Okay.
They're gonna work.
So here's the thing. This is where the business part comes in, is that there's math. There's like, when you use a syringe, you use like 98% of the material. But the bag, I think someone told me that you actually lose about 10% of the material.
Yeah, I saw that.
Each one of these syringes is only 30 cents. That's right, 100, it was like $34 for 100 syringes. Versus, you know how much it would cost more in Benjamin's time to clean the syringe than it's just throw it out. So that is the valuable stuff. That is like gold. How much was that? $100 or something?
For what? Sorry?
The glue?
No, I think like $50.
$50, folks. So yeah, so syringes, 30 cents, no cleanup. Not probably the best for the environment, but best for time. So there we go.
And I think the only way, once you have a paint strip, once you have a mixed T88 inside, is to use paint stripper. So aerospace paint stripper. So it's not really good for little syringes like that.
Or the environment.
Or the environment.
Okay. Hopefully my GoPro's glitching out a bit here. Hopefully all the stuff is good. Hopefully the audio is good today, folks. Let's go. I got to go back to work. Let's go see Benjamin, or let's do a little bit of time travel when Benjamin's got more stuff in the jig. Okay, folks. On further inspection, Benjamin noticed, it's hard to see on the camera, but you can see right there. And then if you move it to the top, it's cracked along the grain here, which is a problem. A little bit of glue seeped in and touched the aluminum, which bonded it.
So yeah, it all goes back to the jig, when it glued to the jig. So the number one reason why it cracked. It wasn't because we didn't take care of the wood or whatever, it just cracked because it was impossible to pull out without breaking it.
So all that work on that one jig, or the one rib, gone. We do have the two up there that are good. And 2 over there. Yeah, and look, 2 more already in the jig. So how can we turn this negative into a positive? Let's see how these ones worked out. What did you change on these 2 versus the last one? I used this to heal. Okay. Honestly, I just like the only solution I thought of, the simplest solution was just to put another layer of plastic wrap right here. So again, the corner right here was the critical point where it glued because it teared the saran wrap. So now we're good. So those ones will work. So instead of completely doing something completely new, you just modified your existing procedure by adding just an extra layer at a problem spot. Exactly. But we don't know if it works. I think it will. Let's see if it works. Benjamin, how much easier was that?
It's not even comparable.
So doing the double one really helped out.
Yep, it did.
A very simple solution.
So as you can see, if I just peel it off right there, that's the double.
That's the double. Right there. Awesome.
So yeah, we'll take this off right now. Little plastic wrap there.
Okay, what do you think we should do with this old busted up rib here?
Well, from last episode's comments, I heard a lot of people wanted a rib. So instead of giving you guys a flying one, there you go.
Yeah, we're gonna throw it up on eBay. It's up on eBay right now. Link in the description.
Yeah.
Check it out. You want to say goodbye, Benjamin?
Yeah. Au revoir. Au revoir tout le monde. Goodbye.